Hi guys, good evening all. I hope my screen is visible to you. Yeah, so we'll start with Forex Factory basically. So in Forex Factory, if you see today, Thursday, we don't have any major impact news in US dollars. And if I'm checking tomorrow also there is no news. So actually, I think we have CPI. I think it's postponed due to the government has shut down. So basically, if you see today November 13, we don't have any news over here. And previously, if we are checking, there is no any news. Yeah, cool, fine. There is no high impact news in US dollars so far today. So we'll check which will start with gold. So we'll start analyzing using starting from gold. So gold, if I'm starting from weekly time frame, weekly I'm what my view over here is completely a bullish, because over here we can see market have traded over here. Okay, so from last 2 weeks it was bearish, we expected, but from here market is taking support at this FEG. We can see weekly FEG market sustained over here and it started moving to the higher price. So again, if I'm shifting to daily time frame also, so after this consolidation, market is 4-5 days it's in consolidation over here. Okay, within this 10-20 points, so 40-22 to like 30 points is in the consolidation over here. After this, it give a good breakout and it started moving to the higher price. So what I am expecting is next target would be again all-time highs, or it can reject from this order block. We can see a order block is over here, so it's basically a order block. So market, there is a chance that it can rejects, or if it is moving above this, market will again form a new all-time highs. Okay, so just a second guys. So this is what I am expecting in gold. Okay, so again, if we are looking into gold like in 4-hour time frame, so 4-hour market is at, so you can see the auto flow is completely bullish. Over here we can check that the order flow over here, so you can see the order flow is okay. So order flow is completely bullish, market is taking support at expecting each fair value gaps, bullish fair value gaps over here and running to the higher prices. So what we are expecting is market will go to higher price, but again the over here market will, we have a FEG where it's going to form a FEG over here. Okay, so once market, if the FEGs forms, market will start moving to higher prices. So we can expect a little bit retracement from here like this, and it will go to higher prices. So this is what I am expecting over in gold. This is what so far view in gold. Okay, so next we'll check with, if I'm checking with any in short term time frame, let's look for any entries over here. Yeah, so market in 15 minutes, you can see 15 market took a support at this FEG, 15-minute FEG. So if I'm moving to 1 minute, the order flow is completely bullish. Okay, so 1 minute, if you see, we can go for a long over here. So the target might be the highs. So long we should enter here somewhere. So this is going to be our entry. Okay, I'm going to enter here, and my stop loss would be these lows. Okay, and my target going to be 1 to 1 so far, because this is the previous highs. This is the previous highs. So let me open my account. So it's a 1.125. So in gold I'm going for a trade in 1 minute. Okay, the logic is simple. Market took support at 15. Market retraced back from 15-minute FVG, and after that we have a IFVG confirmation. Okay, if I'm checking in silver for correlations, so over here, so if I'm checking this, just a second guys. So here we can see, so there is no assembly divergence over here. Okay, fine. Okay, okay, just wait for some time. Well, this might be a pullback. We are getting some better entries over here. We can go for a long over here. So I'll place my entries. I'm going for a long. I'm going for a new position. Advanced orders. Pending I'm going for. And I'm gonna risk. So I'm enabling the risk mode over here. Simple. So to track my risk, so I'm going to enter risk amount. So value, it's in value. I just change to percentage. I'm going to risk 1% of my entire capital. Okay. So TP is going to be, so my TP is going to be, so I'm going to buy. Okay, my TP is going to be here, and my risk is going to be 1%. I'm just dragging my stop loss to lower prices. Okay, so once, let's say if I'm keeping my stop loss below these lows, after this I'm just changing my risk percentage. Yeah, 0.19 is the quantity. I'm going for a long over here. I'm just placing a buy limit. Yeah, I just placed, actually it's in pending order. Once market get, yeah, so over here, so it's a short scalping. Simple logic behind this is simple. Okay, okay, so market took support at 15 minutes FVG. Okay, the order flow, overall order flow is bullish. Okay, market took a support at this FVG and it has inversed. So with 1 minute you can see the IFVG confirmations over here. Okay, with only IFVG, just like that. So after this momentum, market again trend out. From here it started moving to higher price. So I just took a long position. The overall all bias is bullish. Okay, so the market need to go to higher prices. Okay, so it took a support over here, and so this is going to be my stop loss. My stop loss value is going to be $1 or $2, and I just end it a little bit, yeah, 1 to 1. Okay, simple 1 to 1. Yeah, I just a little bit changed. The logic is simple. Okay guys, cool. If you have any doubts you can ask. Just a second. Yeah, cool. So just a short scalp, you guys can check. It's going to be a short scalp, $100 risk, $100 going to be profit. So we are in some short of profit over here. 33 to 33.9 is going to be our target. Okay. So once I'm getting 50%, like 30-36 market move to 30-36 level, I'll move my stop loss to break even. Okay. Yeah guys, if you have any questions, you can ask in the chat section. And some short of profits. Yes. So once this level get broken, we can expect a good momentum. So let me change to this level. So once market break this level, we can see the consolidations over here. Yes. So once this level get broken, okay. So yeah, once this level get broken, we'll get some good push in the higher prices. We'll see. So it's getting the area is getting continuously rejected. Once this level get broken, it'll go to higher prices. Let's see. Price sustains here. We'll try to reduce our risk to 0.5%, 0.5%. Okay. Let's wait for some time. So this level is getting rejected. Yeah, it's getting, you can see, we can see some good push. I need this level to break, but still sustaining in this level. So you can see some good down push over here. So what I'm feeling over here is I'll just move my loss to 0.5%, which is 50 percentage, $50. Okay, my draft SL has been moved over here from, yes, take profit. Cool. So you can see $50 is going to be my stop loss and $130 is going to be my target. Let's see what's happening. Okay, this level getting broken in the lower side. Let's see. Still, see, this range is still, market is still in this range. So we need, market need to either break this low and take our stop loss, or we need to expect a good momentum in the higher side. Okay. So last first 10-15 minutes, it's still over there. Hi Anup, hi. This range, this range need to get broken. See guys, as we discussed, once this range get breaked, we'll be getting a good momentum. So that is what happening over here. So far we are in $50 profit. Yeah, it's a good momentum. So I'm moving my stops to break even. Okay. $36 to $39, $3 momentum we needed. We'll see. We'll wait. So now this trade is going to be risk free for me. Now this trade is completely risk free because I don't want to lose anything if the trade reverses also. Plus see, almost we reached 1 to 1, $100. So I'm going to close it actually. Okay, so if I'm seeing any rejections from here this area, I'll be a little bit closing, but I feel it will reach my targets. Yeah, it's good actually. Yeah, it's kind of reversing, but see that one push, only one push we need, 38 to 39. This candle closure will decide our will be closing the profit or not. 14 seconds more. Yes guys, it's near target. So our target missed in 39.17 is our thing, and our target, okay, it's reversing. Fine, I'm going to close this trade manually. Let's see. So let's say if this, I'm just moving my stop loss, might be taking the orders. Fine, I'm just moving my stop loss to $50. Okay, simple. I'll just move. So this will for sure, it will take the targets I'm expecting. This candle will take the targets for sure. So this is just a profit booking. Again, struggling, need to pump. Let's see. Yes. Once this get crossed, our this next target is target only. Just a $1 move, 100 pip move we needed. We'll see this candle, otherwise we'll close it. This candle, we'll close this position by manually because we reached $100. We risked $100 over here and we reached $100. But our target little bit high. Fine. Fine, let's wait. So see, I have moved my stop loss to $50. If market is trading back and taking my stop loss also fine because it's a risk-free trade for me. So I can wait actually. At this time, we can patiently hold the trade. Okay. We'll wait for 5 more minutes, guys. It's reversing fine. We have $50 in our bags. Cool, we are going to close with $54 profits. Market is reversing. It came near, guys. It came literally near to us trailing stop out, but again it's reversing. Yeah, let's wait. Either it's going to be hit our target, or we are going to book with $100, sorry, $130, or we are going to book with $50. Anyhow, we are going to book the profits only. Cool. We might reach our targets. Fine, that's completely fine. We'll wait for some more time. See, we reached almost $100. That still 2 points is still there. So guys, I'm just trialing my stop loss to a little bit near the last swing loss. Okay. One pump, guys, so we can see some sort of resistance. Liquidity is being created. This breakout will give the target. So one candle, only one candle. A gap up. Yes, it's reversing. Okay, fine, guys. So I'm going to close this with manual with $100 profit. Okay, let's wait for a minute. Last minute, I'm going to hold this trade. Okay, it can be I'm going to either it's going to be hit the target, or I will be closing this trade by using manually. I just turn the stop loss also. Okay, fine, we we can move to already it's reached. We'll close with 1. Yes. Need a little push. Yes guys, portion closed. So today we have booked around $132. Fine, good. So trade logic over here is keep it simple. Okay, so I just looked into 15-minute. Okay, 15-minute FVG. Okay, 15-minute FVG market trade back into this. I'm just aiming for this highs. So once in 1 minute I get some IFVG confirmation over here. Okay, we can see some good reversal from these reversals. So we need to enter here, but I look into charts only at is this time. So just entered here and targeted this highs. 1 to 2 done. So cool guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the session. If you don't mind, if you can explain after 15 minutes FVG how you took the trade. Yeah, yes Rahul. So over here, the logic is simple. We just took it 15-minute FVG. Okay, 15-minute FVG market out of is overall bullish. So just market trade back in 15 minutes. I just get the confirmation in 1 minute. Okay. After this, I just enter over here. Okay. Stop loss going to be this swing low and targeted high. 1 to 1 at a quick scalp. Oh, so we just booked around $115. Okay. $132. Okay. This is what we have booked today. I hope cool. So, okay guys, thank you all. We'll catch you in the next sessions.